Confetti is such a simple material, but it instantly adds a little more fun to any project, party, or space that you use it in. Today, I'm going to try out a new product and pair it with some confetti. To make your own tray, you need confetti, Mod Podge, a foam brush, Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, and a wooden tray. Apply a generous amount of Mod Podge to your wooden tray surface to keep the confetti in place. Add your confetti and make sure to completely fill up the tray. Once the tray is full, pat down the confetti so that it sticks to the Mod Podge. Apply your dimensional glue and slowly fill up the tray. Allow the tray to dry for 24 hours. You can use this tray to display or store your office supplies or knickknacks. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.